All right, y'all, we got a good one today. We got a good one. Let's do it. God over everything. You know what I'm saying? Let's go. So we got this little apartment right here in the back on their property. We bought on 7-8 acres, man. They got all kind of stuff out here. This apartment, we got this one right here. Y'all see the top long ledges. See all that? We're gonna clean that up real good. We got a shed back there we gotta hit. We got a main house right there we gotta hit. I'm gonna walk y'all through it, let y'all see. Gotta hit this shed right here. And like I say, that apartment right there, we gotta hit that. Gotta hit this shed area. All up top. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Let's go. Let's go, good people. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. You're gonna have some stuff that ain't working right on you. It's just gonna happen, man. Downstreamer wasn't working. That's why you always gotta try to keep two of everything. I can't tell people enough. Keep two of everything. Downstreamer wasn't working. I tried the other one, that wasn't working. I had two of them. Then I just went to the soft wash system, which I hate pulling out because you got so many hoses. You got hoses everywhere. You got your power hose, you got your water hose, you got your soft wash system hose. Then at the end, you got a lot of work to do. So I try to not pull out less as possible stuff. That's what I try to do. For at the end, I can be ready to go. But at the same time, sometimes you don't have a choice. Let's go, young Jalen. Let's get it. My first employee, y'all. Know what I'm talking about? 2025, we going all the way in. Let's go. Employees and all, let's get it. God over everything. Let's go. I promise I'm going harder than ever this year. Thank you, Jesus. Watch me. Keep watching. Keep watching. I won't stop. I promise I won't stop. Whatever happens is gonna happen. I'm ready. I'm ready for it. Rinsing. She rinsing, y'all. Good rinse. All that side done. Pool, apartment up there. Sidewalk. I'm gonna get to this house next. No, actually, I'm finna go do this shit. All right, y'all. This the little back garage we got. See that? Yeah, it's the same house. It's the same one. All right, y'all, this the last house. Last house. Ooh, that came out so clean. The last one. Ooh, oh yeah. Oh yeah. All right, this is the last house. This it, the last one. This it. Need to spray. The windows down. Sit on that. Y'all remember how that looked?